Let me show you how to fix Spotify audio not working. Now in this situation, the first thing that you can do is make sure that your device volume is turned up. So just try turning on the volume on your phone and try to see if this was the case for you. If this is not the case, what you can do is make sure you clear out the app of Spotify from the recent app list and try to open it up again. By following this step, try to see if the issue is fixed. Now, if these solutions are not working out for you, then what you can do is try to clear the app cache of Spotify. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on clear cache. Now, why this issue also happens is because your phone is glitching right now. To solve phone glitches, you can just restart your phone and you should be good to go. If none of these solutions work out, that also might be because Spotify has some bugs right now. So what you can do is uninstall the Spotify app from your device and then again reinstall it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue should be now fixed. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you in solving your issues. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.